decided to show up. So we have 7 hours in Vancouver before we head to San Francisco, and then another 4 hours in San Francisco until our flight to Singapore, which is 17 hours. So we have some time to kill. We didn't have that much time, so we quickly hopped on the BART train to Pavel Street and found this hole-in-the-wall Japanese restaurant and filled up before the flight. Ready to board the last leg of the trip. Not looking forward to a 17-hour flight. How many of those are you going to take?
One for now, but I'm probably going to jack up a couple more in a couple hours. I've got only 3 milligrams of melatonin. Crumble that up.
So that flight actually wasn't that bad. I passed out the moment we took off for like 12 hours. I woke up, it said like 5 hours remaining, so I got some work done and I feel great. On our way to the hotel, I immediately noticed how green and lush Singapore is. If you look in every direction, you can see how they have forestry integrated with a lot of the modern architecture throughout the city. Just checked into our room, gonna head up, we're in Tower 2. Look who decided to show up. How are you liking Singapore so far?
Oh, the food is amazing.
Not a bad view. It's a little hazy today. The Marina Bay Sands Hotel is famous for the rooftop pool. We decided to hang out here for the morning and just take it all in. So Singapore is really well known for its street food, so we are heading to Pakar Chan. Check out, there is, I think it's an eater video, but it is one of the cheapest Michelin star rated restaurants in the world, and it is a hawker stand, so like a street vendor. So we're gonna try that out for lunch, and who knows, there might be some other restaurants too that we'll have to try out as well. Pakar Chan is famous for their roasted chicken and their char siu roast pork. So we decided to try a little bit of everything. We've got some greens, we've got some tofu, some crispy skinned pork, and some barbecue pork. Not a bad way to start the first meal of the trip. Yeah, overall I'd say it was very good, especially for the price. Across the street there was this food court and it was packed full of food vendors. This is what makes Singapore famous for their food, is their diversity in cuisines. They have anything you could ever think of, whether it's American, Chinese, Indian, you name it, they have it. And it's all for a super cheap price. After lunch, we decided to walk around Chinatown a little bit more, and then we spent the afternoon at the Art Science Museum, which is really cool. They feature different exhibits each month rather than a fixed exhibit. The exhibit they had on while we were there was this really cool futuristic display of lights and projectors and different mirrors and holograms. The The Art Science Museum is connected to our hotel, which is also connected to this huge mall. We stopped by to pick up some refreshments and just walked around the mall. There is this really cool Louis Vuitton store, which is an island. So you walk through this tunnel underwater and it leads you up to this island, which is also the store. Spent the rest of the evening watching the light show at the gardens, and then we just had a bite at the food court. You can get a really great meal anywhere in Singapore. You don't need to go to anywhere fancy. After that, we went to the casino, which is 3 levels of pure chaos, screaming and smoking. They didn't want me filming here, but you can imagine what it looks like to watch Derek lose several times over. And that's all we did for the rest of the night.